Dear student, welcome back to Ask Rare Class Notes YouTube channel. I have started solving 195 SLO Based Computer Science MCQs of Class 11 Unit-wise in 9 lectures. Today in Lecture 2 I will solve 20 MCQs on computer memory of Unit 2. The Lecture 1 link is given in the description. Before starting Lecture number 2, I request you please support and subscribe to my YouTube channel. MCQs number 1. Which of the following is the fastest memory? Option A. RAM. Option B. ROM. Option C. Cache memory. Option D. USB flash memory. Correct answer is option C. Cache memory. MCQs number 2. How much is 1 megabyte memory equal to? Option A. 1024 bytes. Option B. 1024 terabytes. Option C. 1024 kilobytes. Option D. 1024 gigabytes. Correct answer is option C. 1024 kilobytes. MCQs number 3. Which of the following is volatile memory? Option A. RAM. Option B. ROM. Option C. PROM. Option D. EEPROM. Correct answer is option A. RAM. MCQs number 4. Which of the following has the highest storage capacity? Option A. DVD. Option B. Blu-ray disc. Option C. CD. Option D. Floppy disk. Correct answer is option B. Blu-ray disc. MCQs number 5. USB flash device is what type of memory? Option A. Magnetic memory. Option B. Optical memory. Option C. Electronic memory. Option D. Primary memory. Correct answer is option C. Electronic memory. MCQs number 6. Which of the following memory devices has the smallest storage capacity? Option A. RAM. Option B. Cache memory. Option C. CD. Option D. Memory card. Correct answer is option B. Cache memory. MCQs number 7. Which of the following storage device is obsolete nowadays? Option A. Hard disk. Option B. CD. Option C. Memory card. Option D. Floppy disk. Correct answer is option D. Floppy disk. MCQs number 8. Which memory communicates directly with the CPU? Option A. Main memory. Option B. Secondary memory. Option C. Hard disk. Option D. USB flash drive. Correct answer is option A. Main memory. MCQs number 9. Which of the following memory devices has sequential access to data? Option A. Magnetic disk. Option B. Optical memory. Option C. Magnetic tape. Option D. Chip memory. Correct answer is option C. Magnetic tape. MCQs number 10. Where are the registers located? Option A. Inside hard disk. Option B. Inside DVD. Option C. Inside RAM. Option D. Inside microprocessor. Correct answer is option D. Inside microprocessor. MCQs number 11. The basic unit of computer memory is option A. Bit. Option B. Byte. Option C. Kilobytes. Option D. Megabytes. Correct answer is option B. Byte. MCQs number 12. Data is temporarily stored in option A, CPU, option B, secondary memory, option C, main memory, option D. None of these. Correct answer is option C, main memory. MCQs number 13. Dash is the fastest memory. Option A, registers, option B, RAM, option C, ROM, option D, cache. Correct answer is option A, registers. MCQs number 14. The information contained in dash is lost when power is off. Option A, ROM, option B, RAM, option C, hard disk, option D, flash memory. Correct answer is option B, RAM. MCQs number 15. The operating system is stored in dash when the computer is on. Option A, RAM, option B, ROM, option C, hard disk, option D, CD-ROM. Correct answer is option A, RAM. MCQs number 16. Dash has the highest capacity. Option A, CD-ROM, option B, hard disk, option C, RAM, option D, ROM. Correct answer is option B, hard disk. MCQs number 17. A single character can be stored in a option A, bit, option B, byte, option C, word, option D, cell. Correct answer is option B, byte. MCQs number 18. In dash, instructions are stored at the time of manufacturing. Option A, RAM, option B, ROM, option C, cache, option D, registers. Correct answer is option B, ROM. MCQs number 19. The RAM is also called option A, random access memory, option B, primary memory, option C, main memory, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option A, random access memory. MCQs number 20. The smallest unit of memory is option A, bit, option B, byte, option C, KB, option D, MB. Correct answer is option A, bit. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question related to computer science, please write me in the comments. We will try our best to solve it for you. Class 11th and 12th PDF notes. Available at very nominal price. Please contact WhatsApp. If you like this efforts, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and do not forget to like and share the video.